Welcome back, fellow garden enthusiasts and DIY warriors. Have you ever dreamt of extending your growing season, cultivating exotic plants, or simply protecting your precious greens from unpredictable weather? A DIY greenhouse might be your next rewarding project. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know to build your very own. Building your own greenhouse offers incredible advantages. It provides a controlled environment, allowing you to propagate seedlings earlier and keep plants thriving later into the year. You gain full control over light, temperature, and humidity, fostering optimal growth conditions for a wide variety of flora. The first step in any successful build is selecting the right design. Lean-to greenhouses attach directly to an existing structure, saving space and utilizing shared heat from the building. They are excellent for smaller yards and offer convenient access. Freestanding greenhouses, on the other hand, can be placed anywhere in your garden, offering maximum flexibility for sun exposure and size. These come in various shapes like A-frame, hoop, or traditional gable styles. Consider a geodesic dome for superior strength and even light distribution. Think about your primary purpose: propagation, year-round growing, or simply winter protection. This will guide your choice between a simple cold frame or a more complex heated structure. Each type has unique construction requirements and material considerations. Proper planning is crucial for long-term success. Begin by observing your chosen site throughout the day and across seasons to understand its sun exposure. An ideal spot receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight, especially during the winter months. Ensure good drainage to prevent waterlogging around the foundation. Consider proximity to water and electricity sources, as these will be vital for irrigation, heating, and ventilation systems. Factor in prevailing wind directions to position your greenhouse securely and efficiently. Measure your available space meticulously and sketch out your desired dimensions. Research local zoning laws and building codes, as these might dictate size, height, or setback requirements for structures on your property. A solid foundation prevents shifting and provides stability. For the frame, common DIY options include treated lumber, PVC pipe, or galvanized steel conduit. Lumber offers a traditional look and is easy to work with, while PVC is lightweight and affordable. Metal conduit provides superior strength and durability. For glazing, consider polycarbonate panels, greenhouse film, or even old window panes. Polycarbonate is durable, offers good insulation, and diffuses light. Greenhouse film is the most budget-friendly, while glass provides excellent clarity and longevity, but requires a robust frame. You'll need basic construction tools like saws, drills, measuring tapes, levels, and fasteners. Depending on your chosen materials, specialized tools might be required, such as a pipe bender for conduit or a heat gun for shrinking film. Safety gear, like gloves and eye protection, is always a must. Start with a level and stable foundation. This could be a concrete slab, a treated timber frame, or concrete piers, depending on your greenhouse's size and weight. A solid base prevents future structural issues and provides good anchorage. Assemble the frame according to your chosen design. Whether you're cutting and joining lumber or bending and connecting conduit, precision is key for a square and sturdy structure. Use appropriate fasteners for the materials, ensuring every joint is secure. Attach the glazing material carefully. For polycarbonate, screw panels directly to the frame, overlapping where necessary and using appropriate seals. For film, stretch it tautly over the frame and secure it with battens or specialized clips, ensuring no gaps that could let in drafts. Proper ventilation is paramount for temperature and humidity control. Install vents near the top of the greenhouse to allow hot air to escape and lower vents to draw in cooler air. Automatic vent openers, which react to temperature changes, are a fantastic upgrade. Consider a heating solution if you plan to grow through colder seasons. Options range from electric heaters to propane heaters, or even passive solar designs like a thermal mass. Adequate insulation, especially for the foundation and north-facing walls, helps retain heat. An efficient irrigation system saves time and ensures consistent watering. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to plant roots, minimizing waste and preventing fungal diseases. Consider a rainwater harvesting system to supplement your water supply. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your DIY greenhouse. Periodically check the frame for any signs of wear, rot, or corrosion, and address issues promptly. Tighten fasteners and repair any loose joints to maintain structural integrity. Clean your glazing material regularly to maximize light transmission. Remove any accumulated dirt, dust, or algae that can reduce sunlight. Inspect greenhouse film for tears or punctures, patching them immediately to maintain insulation and keep pests out. Winterize your greenhouse by checking seals, reinforcing vulnerable areas against heavy snow, and ensuring heating systems are in good working order. Proper care ensures your greenhouse remains a productive haven for your plants year after year. Take your time with planning, choose your materials wisely, and enjoy the process. With a little effort and dedication, you'll soon be enjoying fresh produce and vibrant plants all year long, right from your very own custom-built sanctuary. Happy building and happy growing.